Has this ever happened to you? You're tossing and you're turning and you just can't sleep at night. Well, guess what? I've got a solution for you. Introducing Sloppy Joe's super sexy sounds that help you sleep at night. An 8200 CD collection that helps you deal with anything, and I mean anything. Judgmental parents.
When are you getting married? When are you getting married? Are you trying to disappoint me?
Judgmental teenage girls.
Just remember, nothing tastes as good as skinny feels.
Ooh, my personal favorite. Judgmental bish.
Wow. Before I met you, I used to think there was only one kind of ugly. Now I know that ugly comes in all shapes and sizes. Especially whale.
Tired of me judging you? Ha! I will never stop judging you. But I will help you reach self-satisfaction with these other amazing sounds. Oh, how many calories you ate for the day?
So let's see, today you consumed an entire bag, family-size bag, of Lay's potato chips. That's a total of 2,240 calories. Wow, you're fat.
Missing that roommate that wouldn't stop having sex? We got that.
Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Ah, choke me, Daddy.
Sounds of the ocean.
You're a whale. You're a f***ing whale.
Japanese confetti party.
Oh, hello there. I didn't see you come in. What's that? You're looking for one of our varieties of teas? Well, you came to the right shop. Jimbo's Tea Shop is the place to go. And when you're looking for a variety of tea flavors, we've got lemon, orange, cranberry, jube, and magenta. Oh, what's that flavor over there? Well, why, that's a special flavor. It's of the Asian persuasion. We call that one Japanese confetti party. Come to the 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 Japanese confetti party. Japanese confetti party. Japanese confetti party. Here's the place to be. Japanese. I see you. At my Japanese confetti party. Come to the Japanese confetti party. Come to the Japanese confetti party. Come to the Japanese confetti party.
It's a sloppy world out there, so why not get the sloppy you need with Sloppy Joe's super sexy sounds that help you sleep at night? With just 52 easy payments of $6,969.52, this collection can be yours. Wait, what do you mean you don't have the money? I'm sorry that you're poor. You've been judged.